classroom objects. Basic English. Classroom, classroom. Lockers, lockers. Stairs, stairs. Hallway, hallway. Door, door. Flag, flag. Whiteboard, whiteboard. Board eraser, board eraser. Bulletin board, bulletin board. Clock, clock. Stapler, stapler. Staples, staples. Staple remover, staple remover. Desk and chair, desk and chair. Desk, desk. Chair, chair. Computer, computer. Mouse, mouse. Telephone, telephone. Pencil sharpener, pencil sharpener. Pencils, pencils. Pens, pens. Crayons, crayons. Paper, paper. Notebooks, notebooks. Books, books. Ruler, ruler. Scissors, scissors. Dictionaries, dictionaries. Glue sticks, glue sticks. Tape, tape. Index cards, index cards. Markers, markers. Seasons of the year: spring, summer, fall, and winter. Fall, winter, spring, summer. Seasons of the year: spring, summer, fall, winter. Fall, winter, spring, summer. Seasons of the year. School and classroom objects. Thank you.